Excited na ako magbukas, guys. Feeling ko regalo siya. Tapos, alam mo naman talaga yung darating. Pero, nang hula ka, kada bubuksan mo. So, buksan ko na nga. Ang dami ko sinasabi. Ayan na siya, guys. Guys, eto na siya. Ang aking dream vanity. Yes, yun lang. Thank you, Bes, sa binili mong vanity mirror and whole body mirror para sa akin.
Magulang! Bakit? Oh, bakit ako? Wala.
At habang naglilinis nga ako ng kwarto ay nakita ko ito. Thank you sa nagbigay at gumawa nito. And family, ito nga pala ang little collection ko. I'm a sentimental person, so honestly, ang hirap para sa akin mag-let go ng mga bagay, especially when they have memories attached to them. These are some of the things that remind me that I am loved and cared for by Victor. Pero kahit sentimental ako, I realize na I really need to declutter my room. And ang dami ko ng things na naipon, and sometimes instead of making my room feel comfortable, it starts to feel crowded and overwhelming. I also realize that keeping everything doesn't mean I'm keeping the memories. The memories will always stay with me even if I decide to let go of some of the physical things.